details tonight in a case of secret peeping. The man convicted, once a member of the Lifepoint Church, and works security there too.
And evidence from the trial suggests that church leaders knew about the incident long before the sheriff's office even got involved. Fox Wilmington's Caitlin Stanzel talked with the church's attorney and the prosecutor in the case. Caitlin?
Ashley, John, during the trial, a witness told the jury that church leaders Daryl Strickland and George Kapusta were notified back in 2011 that Duncan Wilkie had photos on his phone taking up a young girl's dress. The witness who released those details in court was Wilkie's wife at the time of the incident. She stated she had found the photos on Wilkie's phone in an email attachment, and she told the jury that she took that information to church leaders.
His wife testified that in the summer of 2011, she saw her husband crawling on all fours with his phone in his hand, and he was right next to this girl that was standing there wearing a dress. He had his phone out, and the light on the phone was on. And then she testified that later that night, when she went through his phone, she found copies of those. She found copies of images that appeared to be up the skirt of that girl.
The other witness testifying in this case was the victim herself. She reportedly told the court that leaders in the church never notified her or her parents that Wilkie was in possession of the photographs. The first time she was told about the photos was in 2013 when the New Hanover County Sheriff's Office took over the case. We reached out to Lifepoint about these allegations and were directed to their attorney, who released this statement saying, quote, "Lifepoint Church is aware of the case. Our staff has cooperated fully with authorities during their investigation. No one from Lifepoint's leadership or staff had ever seen any evidence associated with this case until approached by law enforcement and were not called to testify at trial in this matter." To read more of their statement, you can go to our website, foxwilmington.com. In the studio, Caitlin Stansel, Fox Wilmington News.